welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make Isiewu. Isiewu is a delicacy from Igboland, which is in the eastern part of Nigeria. Are you even Igbo if you haven't tried Isiewu before? To my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for always coming back and supporting me. If today is your first time here, you're welcome. And please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and turn the notification bell on. And please, before leaving, don't forget to check out my other videos. Thank you so much. You normally order this with some palm wine at your local joint while listening to some high life like Oliver the Cook and Osadebe. Chai, how I miss Naija. Isiewu is made from goat head. Yes, don't be like, ew, goat head. Go and try it and come back and testify. If you're wondering why you should be eating goat head, not only is it yummy, but it's also rich in vitamins and minerals. As you can see, he's helping me to cut it into small pieces. Well, before we start, let's go over the ingredients. I have some Utazi, crayfish, palm oil, fresh pepper, Ehuru, Akanwu, and Maggi cubes. Start by adding some water in the Akanwu or edible potash and set aside. Next, thoroughly wash the goat head. As you can see, the meat is fresh, they just killed the goat. All cleaned. So I'm now adding the goat head in the pan. Add onions. Maggi cubes. Water. And salt. Give it a quick stir, cover and let it cook. This is what it's looking like an hour and 30 minutes later. I'm going to now add the brain and cover it to cook. Few minutes later, remove the brain. It's an abomination if you've never tried Isiewu before. Arrow. So just make sure after watching this video, you go and make yourself some Isiewu. Just make sure you send me some. Time to debone the goat head. Please make sure the goat head has cooled down before doing this because you don't want to burn your hands. I'm cutting mine small because that's how I like it. But if you like big pieces of meat, then you can go ahead and cut them bigger. You can also leave the bone in, so you have few options there. It's now time to make the sauce. So I'm adding the palm oil into a pan. Sometimes I wonder how our ancestors came up with all these recipes. But to tell you the truth, I'm glad they did because now Isiewu were banned. Next, I'm going to add Akanwu or edible potash and stir. Next ingredient to go in is the fresh pepper. Adding pepper is optional. If you don't like spicy food, you don't have to add it. Ehuru, also known as calabash nutmeg. Crayfish, Maggi cubes, or any seasoning of your choice. Utazi, and mix everything together. I don't have fresh Utazi, so I'm using dry one. So this is what it's looking like. I'm not tasting to see if I need any more seasoning. So I'm adding a little salt. Most of the ingredients I use can be found at your local African store. That's if you live abroad. I'm now going to add the brain. If you like what you're seeing so far, don't forget to join the family by liking, sharing, subscribing, and turning the notification bell on. Thank you. It's now time to add the main ingredient, the goat head. Mix everything together. Back home, people enjoy Isiewu with some palm wine, Heineken, or stout. Next, transfer to stove to heat up. Let me know in the comment section below what you'll be having this Isiewu with. As for me, palm wine will do. Sprinkle a little Utazi on top, and voila, your Isiewu is ready. Thank you so much for watching, but before leaving, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, bye.